The team of scientists say they were able to use this material to make H2 without toxic byproducts. A research team from Sami Shamoun College of Engineering in Israel have developed a new green hydrogen production process using stainless steel powder. The process uses H2 trapping, and the researchers say solar energy could boost production capacity. Green hydrogen is made in a process devoid of carbon dioxide emissions, said Dr. Guy Ben-Hamou, research team head. We add a stainless steel powder to water then, and through an electrochemical process produce hydrogen. We do not introduce any other energy to the water, and the hydrogen is released from it spontaneously. In order to produce a large amount, solar energy can be added, and then more hydrogen can be produced in a short span of time. According to Ben-Hamou, this process has the potential to provide an energy source that would be usable during the Jewish Sabbath without risking the violation of religious law. This strategy avoids the use of complicated systems, and depending on the addition of other forms of clean energy, such as solar, it can be stopped at times that align with religious rules in the country. As long as we can add the powder to water, we can make electricity, said Ben-Hamou. The researchers started developing the green hydrogen system 4 years ago. The team's goal is now to complete the system within a year. They want to be able to essentially create a container in which the water and metal powder can be added and where electricity can be generated. The research team leader referred to the discovery as one already drawing international and investor interest. The system's prototype has already been created by the team in the form of a toy car. The car has cups with water, to which we add metal powder. It produces green fuel, and the car moves, said Ben-Hamou. Over time, we improved the powder to produce as much green fuel as possible. There are various types of powders, and the difference between them is not the amount of fuel they produce, but how they produce it. For example, if you want a small amount of fuel for a long time or a large amount of fuel for a short time, the materials used for creating the green hydrogen production powder are obtained from foundry waste. They are ground into a powder to be used in the unique new process. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free H2 ebook for more updates. Also, leave us a comment and let your thoughts be heard.